In today's video, I show you the easiest way to make money online that literally all you have to do is anyone can do it. So watch the video carefully until the end. Today, we will use this great AI tool called GetAnswer. What's special about this tool is that GPT's latest technology integrates OpenAI with your email marketing software, meaning you can take advantage of cutting-edge innovation to get your post-scrolling results. I personally tried none, and let me tell you, it's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to creating great emails for you. The great thing about this AI email generator is that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution and allows you to tailor your emails especially for your businesses by using keyword and industry trends to do so. You will be able to create content that will connect with your audience and increase your conversations. With AI subject line generator, you can create catchy subject line that will make your emails stand out in crowded inboxes. Trust me, increasing open rates is a game changer for every marketer and GetAnswer's clients who have used the AI email generator have seen an incredible 85% reduction in email creation time thanks to the amazing technology. OpenAI creating a perfect email is as easy as a serious productivity boost. Give them your keyword in just a few clicks. Choose your industry, choose the tone and design, the direction you prefer, and this is the email generator by artificial intelligence, and your subject line will be ready in less than a minute. So let me show you how you can sign up to receive. Register to receive get response. First, register to receive get response. Just go to this website. Here, when you get to the website, just find the blue free sign up button. Click on it in the top right corner. It will ask for your full email name and password. Fill in those details and then click the yellow create account button. Check your email now because receiving a reply will send you an activation email. You'll find a link there that you have to click to verify your account. They just want to make sure you're a real person and not an email marketing bot. When you link on it and active your account, you will be asked to receive a response. Some more detail. They want to know the address of your country and they tell you some terms and conditions. First, since our goal is to create some clears, now we're going to click on send email and look at the top of the page and you'll see a big blue button. They say create emails based on artificial intelligence. Click because this is where the real fun begins. This tool will help you create amazing emails. After logging into create an email to get a reply, you will see a page where you have to fill in some details. So what is it? Email about I want to be available for something like stress management course. Stress management is a hot topic these days and people are always looking for always to let go and find ways to relax. We click more setting because we want to target this email to a specific audience so you know who the email is. Looking for new tools and strategies to improve your coaching skills so they're more interested in what you have to offer. Now let's decide what kind of email we want to create because we're in the mood to create an existing announcement, make some noise and engage your subscribers. Well, next step, click next to choose two tones of your email personally. Almost there, click next again and choose your favorite layout. I am all for simplicity, so let's stick to text layout. This layout is quite simple and conveys the message to the audience without any disturbance. Color is to complement your message. I'll stick with the default color here because they work well for me. Well, it's time to have the magic moment. Just click create and let the AI do its wonders and get ready to be amazed. This AI-based email generator creates incredibly high conversions emails. So you're probably wondering how you can make money selling your email marketing skills this way. There are services on the popular freelancer platform Fiverr. Trust me, there's a lot of demand for high conversion emails and people are willing to pay good money for them. But before we get into that, let me show you what some other freelancers are doing in this space. Take a moment to search for high conversion emails on Fiverr and you'll find tons of talent people offering their email marketing services. It's a competitive market, but that just means there's plenty of opportunity to grab a piece of the pie. Now here is your existing part. This amazing AI email generator from Get Reply is at your disposal. You already know it's game changer in creating clear emails that get results. So let's harness this power and create a gig on Fiverr that attracts customers. First, log in to Fiverr and click Become a Reseller. It's time to unleash your email marketing skills and start making new money. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification.